So on Saturday, I didn't continue after the meeting. I closed.
Okay.
Then this morning, I've also had a lot of issues with my electricity. I think the apartment we are living in, the token readers are failing. So I had to call the agent. She sent an electrician and just connected it directly. So they're waiting for the Kenya Power guys to come and fix the issue. But I have the power now. So what I've managed to do, I just created several users because I had not tested that initially. So I've created the abuse virtual user now and at least sent an email to it. And then I started working on the sending of the ARF and ARF report because I expect that to be sent to this user now, abuse.technology.org. So if someone, for example, sends an email to maybe admin, and the admin marks that email as junk, as we had discussed, or move it to junk, then our script should be, or my script should be able to detect that and generate a report and send it to this abuse .org. So I've just started installing some packages that I need and doing some research. So there is this package known as the Dovecot Sieve that is supposed to detect, monitor our system and detect if any of the emails is marked as junk or spam by any user within the system. Then it should trigger a script, which can be a Python script or any other script that you've written, so that it sends an email to now the FBL contact that I've stated. So it's not necessarily that I have to send it here, but I can also send it to any other email that I'll declare. So it can be abuse, it can be postmaster, or any other.
Are you
So
sure?
that is,
Yes, continue.
yeah. So that is what I've worked on so far, like for 2 hours, if I'm not wrong.
Can you show us the script and the Dovecot DOM package that manage email to detect?
I haven't written the script. I just installed the packages. Some of them were errors, and I was checking why this is giving me an error. Then I found out that if I'm using Ubuntu 18 and above, I don't need to install the Pigeonhole. So that's why it was not available. But I have my my research here.
Yes, but you said that the ARF, you have not created the script for FBL now. It's not, you don't have it.
Yes, I haven't created the script, but I'm just trying to describe the process that I'm going through.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So you will create that script again, and that script will be monitor the all email.
Yeah, it will monitor all the emails within the system. So it will
And
monitor all the users.
Yes, and if it's have a spam mark, normally the spam should be okay. We have two kind of RF. We have the RF that we will send to our internal system.
Yes.
And we have other RF that we will send it to external system. Let's say someone from Yahoo, from Gmail, from other system send us email, and our user mark it as spam. We need to be able to also send the RF to Gmail.
So for the Gmail, I don't know, do we send it to the because maybe I'll just research on should be maybe postmaster.gmail.
Normally any system have their own, like in our case, if we go like the Gmail, they have their postmaster.
Yes, yes.
It means that when user from us send email to a user from Gmail, if that user mark it as spam, normally Gmail need to send us an RF. But Gmail did not send RF for any single email. I think Yahoo they do that. They send RF report for any complaint on email. You see? So it means that in our case too, we need to be able to send that RF to external system. It can be Yahoo, Gmail, any system. But maybe in our case, we will not send it to Yahoo, or maybe they don't have that kind of email. But we need to find a way maybe to simulate it.
Okay.
Because when a user from Yahoo and from Gmail send email to us, let's say we want to report it. Maybe it is possible, or maybe it's not possible, or maybe Gmail they don't allow it. That other system send a report to their system. And we have the case that it is in our internal system. When a user from our system send email to a user from our system, yes, in that case, if the user who have received it mark is as spam, then we go to abuse arobas technologyhub.org.
Yeah. So that's what I'm supposed to achieve today. That's my plan, at least for our internal users. Then I can move to the external now.
And once you finish that, you will automate it, right?
Yes, once I finish that, then I'll automate the whole thing now, plus the Roundcube, everything.
And I said last time, it is better to start to Dockerize now. Because if we don't introduce Docker now, later it can create we will not be familiar along with it.
Okay, so yeah, I saw that.
Yes, because like Apache, you can Dockerize it. If you have Roundcube, you can Dockerize Roundcube, it is service. Apache, you can Dockerize it. But the database, like all database, is statefulness, something like that. So you cannot Dockerize a database. And your postfix, you don't need to Dockerize it because it is already in the Unix machine. But you can still find a way to Dockerize it. By that way, when you make Docker PS, you have all services that are participating to your emailing. You see? Yes, you can Dockerize the postfix for SMTP or configuration about postfix. You put it in a service on Docker. If you run Roundcube, you have Docker for Roundcube. You have Docker for Apache. You also have Docker for Dovecot. Because Dovecot will handle everything from the backend, safe user, and so on. You see? And now, during the troubleshooting, we just need to make a Docker PS.
Yeah.
I don't think that we have the PHP, the FPM, but I don't think that we need to Dockerize that.
Okay.
I don't think that. So Dockerizing split our infrastructure to microservice. I think it is up to any developer, but I think if we split it with a service, a microservices for postfix, a microservices for Roundcube, another microservices for Apache, and another one for Dovecot, I think we will have around 4 microservices on our system.
Okay.
Yes, and that is good for isolation, because when you isolate everything, you want to troubleshoot it, that can be easy.
Yeah, it's true.
That can be easy. Okay. I'm thinking that because this part is consuming us a bit time,
Mm-hmm.
especially this Roundcube part. It's taking us some time. Okay, do you have another thing to share?
Not for now.
Okay, okay, let's
Yeah.
continue with Karen.
Okay, so I'll share my screen. So on Saturday, I fixed the issue I had. So the error was on the records,
Wait.
and
Before you say you fix the issue that you have, you need to remind us again that issue. You need to say on Saturday, this was the problem, and I fixed it, and this is how I fixed it.
the issue was about there was an error, like saying error about third bot and the certificate. And how I fixed it is that I fixed the
Can you
DNS
show us the
records.
error? Can you show us the error if you have it somewhere in a screenshot?
I don't have the error anymore.
And you say
But
the error was what about
on the
certificate?
records, yeah. On the certificate, that was the error on the terminal, but I changed the records, so that fixed
What
the error.
you can show us on the record because I want to see the error. The certificate is expire.
No,
The
no,
certificate
it's not. It was not expired, but I didn't understand well. So the error, where are the DNS? So we have changed like the IPs, and also I may change something in the DKIM, if I remember well here. Where? No, not here. Where is the DNS? Okay, here, this DKIM record.
you say
And I fixed in this record something here, and I could have a result. So this was on Saturday. I tried sending an email,
what?
and I could.
Can you go back again? My problem is to locate the error because this helps us for future. We don't make the same mistake again anymore. We need my goal. I want to see what was the error and how you fix it.
So I changed
No,
here
before
in the
you change,
DNS.
what kind of error did you have?
Let me see
Okay,
it in the.
you check it.
Yes, I will check it in the chat.
You can check it and show us. Check it in chat because I want to see what was the error and maybe try to see the action that you have made to fix it.
I think you are trying to automate automate the setup of your server, but it was
Yes.
failing on the certificate. It was complaining about the certificates, so I don't know.
Yes, that's it. And what I did is
Okay, wait.
just
Can you go in chat maybe and show us the entire line of the error? Because complain
so
about
this was
like
HTTP.
for Godi case, we found that the problem was a limitation about certificate, right, Godik?
Yes, it was
The
about the limitation.
limitation, yes, because the limitation is generating around, I don't know, 5 certificates per week.
Yes, 5
So
per week.
if a subdomain generates more than 5 certificates per week, that will not work on anymore. That's why
Okay.
I'm trying to understand in your case, what is the problem related to certificate? And you see, when we have troubleshoot the one for Godik, now we have a peace of mind because we know that for with Let's Encrypt on certificate, we have a weekly limitation. So in our future work, we will take that in consideration.
So my error was here. Okay, so I had this first. So this was saying that the port 80 was used, and what I changed was
It was saying that the port 80 was used, and which action did you take to solve it? Because your SMTP was saying the port 80 is in use. And
so so to fix that, I had forgot to change this. So we changed that together, the IP value
Okay.
here. Yeah, we changed that together during the meet.
Okay, continue with the error in chat.
And then when it was fixed after that, so this was it. Because the IP was still the last IP, so it was saying Nginx was using it. And then I had
us where he's saying that the engineers, can we make control find in the chat?
no, because the IP wasn't changed, so this was the IP. Godric was using this IP server of Godric, so that's why it was saying Nginx was used. And then I used mail tester, so I had like 4.3. Here it was talking about DMARC, and also this. So I changed this into where it is. Here I can explain it. So this mail, where this was VPS something before, and I changed it into the mail. I thought that was the problem with this.
Okay.
And also I made some changes on the DMARC and
what did you change? And when you change the host name, you change the host name, that is what she changed on Godik.
Sorry?
She changed the host name, if I understood well. Because she used something like root arrobas mail instead of root arrobas all the name of VPS.
Yes, I changed. And then I cleared and I rerun.
Yeah, just a minute before you move, Karin. Just go back
Okay.
to
I
that
just want
DMARC.
to see if it is the host name that you have changed what did you change? Because we have here root arobas, VPS, CSV, and so on and so on.
I think even the DMARC was pointing to something else. It was pointing to that default host name.
Yes.
Yeah, you see, it's a root VPS at VPS, those numbers instead of root at mail, the technologyhub.com, because that is what you have declared in the DNS, root at mail. So maybe that's the issue with the host name, because by default now it's pointing to what the server has given you by default, but you can change that. So I think you change that.
Yes, I
Did that
changed it.
fix the DMARC and the SPF?
Yes, I cleared. I cleared all the setup and we ran the automation, and then I could have this 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Okay, so Karin, you have changed the host name. It is the host name or what?
Yes, it
Host name.
is host
I
name.
don't. Can you go again? Yes. No, where you have 4.3 on 10 on mail tester.
Oh, okay.
Mail tester. Mail tester.
4.3.
Yes.
This.
Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. You have changed your root arobas. You are chef. Yes. Root arobas. You have that VPS hyphen CF on something. You have replaced that by mail. And
Yes.
I have one question. How does this value do to appear here? The VPS hyphen CF.
I don't really know. Before I had here root at VPS CF. This.
Okay.
This.
That is the
So
default name.
that's what I changed. Yeah.
Okay, that is the default name. Okay, and you just take it and put in front of technologyhub.com.
I also think that in the automation there is a section that just picks the host name, right?
Yes.
That's why I think your
That's
SPF was reading that, and also the DMARC was reading that. I think the variables that you've posted there, you've put there is one variable that is just pointing to the host name. So
Okay.
if your host name is mail, then it will pick it.
Okay. Can you go in your computer now, Karin, and type a host name? Let's see what is your host name. I believe that you will give mail.
Let me change this.
On the server.
Because...
Okay.
Okay. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
I can hear you. Okay, we have this. Okay. So what you have changed was your host name.
Yes.
Okay. The first one, mail. Do you remember how you change it? You use
Yes.
Okay.
I have here. I have it here. So where? This sudo nano.
Only that. Okay. Can you make cat on sudo? Can you make sudo nano and let's see what you have inside there? Just to be sure that.
And this is what I changed.
Okay. That's where you change. So before you
Yes.
change it, the place where we have mail was VPS hyphen something.
Yes.
Or there was nothing there.
No, there was something. There was VPS -CF something, and here as well.
Okay. And the previous file, you are the person who did it, or the previous file were generated automatically? I mean, before you update this file, right?
Sorry, I didn't hear you well.
I mean this, the previous value in this file, you are the one who put them? Can you hear me?
No,
I said before
I
you
hear,
put
but I didn't.
this
Yeah.
value, the previous value, who put them there? Who add them in the file?
It was already there.
So the value VPS was already there when you are trying to edit down this file, right?
Yes.
Okay, it means that that value will generate automatically. But do you have an idea when this value have generated, in which process, at which time? Not really down the time, which action? Because I want to understand when the domain name have been added here. So you see, because when you purchase a VPS, you don't have the domain name there automatically. It means that some action have
Okay.
been made before the domain name, I mean technologyhub.com, came here. Dongodi, do you have any idea?
I don't know. I think maybe it's generated when the OS is installed. Like maybe when you purchase the VPS, you select your operating system. Then that is when the file will be generated.
Yes, the file is generated at that time, but the domain name technologyhub.com is not there, will not be there.
Yeah, technologyhub.com will not be there. I think Technology Hub maybe will be generated when we do the RDNS.
Yes, maybe something like that. Yes, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure it wasn't. Karin, was it exactly Technology Hub or what was the
No.
domain?
Here.
Yeah. Was it there?
Let me see. I have it here. So it was VPS.
Can you show us what was there if you have it?
This.
Oh
This
yeah. Okay.
and this.
It was that in the only that,
Yes.
but there were not the domain name there. But you said that there were a domain.
No.
If
It
the
was
name
not.
was not there, it means that this is generated when we purchase the host.
Yeah, I think it's generated when we purchase the host here.
Okay, but one question. Go again on your because we need to have a clear understanding of this. Yes, here. And where did this domain came there? See, the root arrobas down VPS something. Yes. Can you select all that? Yes, yes. No. Just select the VPS. No, only the host name.
This.
Yes.
This.
Yes. And now, okay. This value can be generated when you have created the SPF, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. When you create the SPF, this host name will be generated. Okay. It means that in your Ansible code, you have something that will combine the host name with the domain.
With the domain, yeah.
Can you try to locate it? Okay, we have technology shop here. Maybe somewhere in your variable.
In the
Maybe you can
variable.
try to check on the SPF file. You have the SPL role. Yes, generate the SPF. Let's try to read it very well and see. Tag, we have domain, zone, delegate to localhost. Down there, they delegate to
Yeah.
localhost. That will do what?
That will point to the localhost IP, I think, which is it 127 point something or 000?
Yes,
Sure.
127.0.0.1.
Yeah.
Okay. Or maybe you can try to copy what we have on mail tester and give that to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will try to answer it.
Okay.
Yes.
Well,
You can just make a
I'm not sure.
screenshot if you want. If you can copy, just make a screenshot.
I think I can copy.
Okay.
Just this.
Yes, copy that. My goal is to understand how this domain have been generated. VPS -technology so on.com. So you can copy it and ask to ChatGPT. You did not ask question?
It.
We can't hear you.
And let me. What is this? What should I ask?
Copy the domain name first.
This.
Yes, copy that. Say that I have this message error and I have the following message error and
Okay.
I want to understand how this domain name has been generated. And why your chat is in French like this?
It's in French. But by default.
And put at the end reply in English.
Understand. And I want to understand why. How the domain is created?
Yes, how this domain is created. It's generated, yeah, something like that.
It's generated.
Ask him to reply in English. Okay. Can you scroll down?
Yes. Everything.
Yeah, I think the technology hub came in when we updated the reverse DNS.
Okay.
Because initially, before we updated the reverse DNS, there was a domain there that we changed.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, before, yes, exactly. We delete something there. Yes.
Yeah, we deleted something there.
Yes.
We delete something. But when we delete something, we replace by mail.technologyhub.com.
Yeah.
And what
Yeah.
this is using is VPS hyphen
VPS,
something
yeah.
dot technology hub.
Before changing this, when I run hostname, I still had this VPS CF something, and it's only after I changed that I had mail.technologyhub.com.
No, I mean in the OVH dashboard. When I changed it last on Friday or on Saturday, something like that, we had mail.technologyhub.com.
Yes.
My problem is I want to understand when this domain is okay. Ask to ChatGPT when the domain name technologyhub.com is associated to the VPS technologyhub.com is associated to the VPS name. Put the CF. Put the VPS. Yes. To the
Yes,
VPS.
name.
Yes. Copy the name. Scroll up and copy the name for the VPS.
This.
Yes. Wait. To have as a result. Continue to have as a result. Now you can copy the entire one and put there. Yes. Tap enter.
Enter.
Yes. Can you scroll down a bit? You see that you have lag in your network. Wait. Okay, can you go again in your Ansible? Go in your DNS, because when you were making configuration on DNS, what is your DNS role?
This is a playbook for DNS.
This is your playbook for DNS?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Wait a moment. I think it's have been generated here, but wait. Can you scroll up? Scroll up. Okay, what?
On the SPF.
Yes, SPF. Can you scroll down a bit? Okay, you see add text SPF record mail. You see there? You see the record, you put mail.
Yes.
Mail.
Yeah.
This.
No,
Yeah.
not record. Yes, record. Yes, there. I think if you change that, or maybe you put something like maybe you put nothing, or maybe by default that will take the host name, the name for the server. You see it?
Yeah.
I think the issue is here. Did you make something here?
No, I just changed the IP and the IP6, IP4 and IP6 here.
And where is the IP6? Where is the IPv4?
This,
Okay, you have it there. Because normally
yes.
this is where we have that issue. This is where we have it normally. Okay. Why do you have these two records? You have the first one, it is at, and it is for
At, and the
SPL, and you
second
have the
one is
second one.
mail.
The at the mail we take the subdomain name mail.technology.org, and the at we take the host name.
Yes.
Okay. The art will take technologyhub.com and the mail will take mail.technologyhub.com.
Yes, exactly. So this is you did not change anything here?
No, I just changed the IP4 and IP6 here.
Yes, if you have changed the IP, let's say we put the wrong IP there. What will happen if we have a wrong IP address?
I don't know here. I didn't forget to change.
Because your automation here is not using variables. It's not using any variable here. So the values that you put there are exactly going to appear like that. Like technology hub will be technology hub mail and all that. The only part that is using those two parts down there, the account email and the token.
Token.
Yeah. So I don't know what was there before, or maybe it was using a variable, or I don't know.
No.
On the zone and on the record.
On the no, before it was like this. I just changed the technology hub.org.
Okay. It was pointing technology hub.
And the IP also. Yeah.
Okay. Can you check again in ChatGPT? Let's see what ChatGPT see, because okay, wait. Can you scroll up a bit? Yes, scroll up. Okay. This means something was provided when creating VPS manually by you or system administrator. We are getting this full qualifier domain. It means that when we create point to APRS, a recall like this may exist. Okay. VPS A. Can we go again in Ansible? I want to. Okay, what we have here. Okay, this record. I will try to scroll up. Scroll up. Is the code some okay, we will continue. We will if we have new idea about this, we can share that in the chat. You know our chat, our general chat. Are you getting me, Karin? It seems like your network have a lag.
Yes, I have a lag with my network because I'm using the data of the phone.
Okay. So if we have new idea about it, we will try to share that in the chat.
It's like I have the access the remote server with the fiber.
You should maybe change to the other one that we're using, the one that is not accessing the remote. That one was faster.
Do you hear me now?
Yes, we
Yes.
can hear you.
We can
Okay,
hear you
okay.
anyway. Okay. What is your next step now?
Okay, so this morning I installed Apache 2, PHP, MariaDB, and Dovecot, and I will install Roundcube now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And what is your next step?
So that is my next step.
That is your
Roundcube.
next step. Installing Apache, Roundcube, and you want to use the database or you want to use the JSON to store your email?
I will use the database.
Okay, so you will install all those 3 tools. Okay, and don't forget to Dockerize them.
Yes, sir.
You know how to Dockerize a service. Anyway, if you just tap Roundcube Docker, go on Google, tap Roundcube Docker. I think they are already think that we just pull it and install it. You have Docker Hub Roundcube. If you scroll down, you will have a lot of stuff there. Go on official website for Roundcube. I think they already have the Docker image for that. Normally,
Roundnet. Roundcube.net.
just try to click on download. They have Docker normal there. They don't have Docker. Try to make control find and look for Docker. Yes, okay.
This.
Already have Docker there. So normally you can try to check the documentation or you can Dockerize it by yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is okay for you. Do you have anything to add?
No, that's all. I think. Yeah.
Okay, and you, Godric, anything to add?
Even me not for now. So for my case, because I already set up those other parts, that I'm only remaining with the script. So I'll do the script first, which test everything, then I'll now work on Dockerizing the whole
Okay, perfect.
system. Yeah.
Okay. Anything to add, or it is okay for you?
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, thank you.